welcome to my awesome ceiling fan pixel channel by Lego. My channel is very great, 17 subscribers. You should give me million subscribers. So this is the RC. This is the antenna RC. This is the fan blade 1, fan blade 2, ceiling, and the ceiling fan itself, and the dot. This is a pixelated. This is the ceiling fan blade holder. So this, how to use it? Just do this or this. That makes it, and insert batteries. 2 AA batteries that last very long, like Verita. This is called the ceiling fan blade. How to use it is put it in like this. Now this, like this. And how to use the blade, so do this. Another one. Now you can do this. Now insert the lock like this. Push it like a push button and turn it on like this. So, 2, 3, 0. Off. Let's try 1 minute. 3 speed 1 minute. 60. 59. 58. 57. 56. 55. 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Tidit. Bye bye. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. See you next tomorrow.